Why did Adidas and Puma go from one shoe brand to two rival shoe brands? So let me tell you a very interesting story. In a city in Germany, there were born two brothers, Adolf and Rudolf Dassler. Their father worked at a shoe factory and wanted his children to get into professions like baking and becoming a police officer. The children, of course, had other plans. So Adolf, who was popularly known as Addy, he loved athletics and used to play a lot of sports growing up. He realized very early in his life that there were not enough shoes that were made for sports persons. Before he could do anything about it, however, there was World War One, and he went into the military. Once he was back, he opened a small shoe factory from his mom's bathroom. Here, he wanted to specifically design shoes for sports persons, and he used whatever material was available. What is interesting is that this was the point of Great Depression in Germany, which meant that there was a serious shortage of raw material, of electricity, of money in general. And so Adolf or Addy would pick up whatever material was available from the skins of helmets, from the skins of water bags, whatever he found, he used. After 2 years of running this shoe company, which I can't pronounce and I'm listing here, Rudolf, his brother, joined him. They did this for a few years and got their first big break in the 1900s when one of the Olympic gold medalists was wearing their shoes. Slowly but surely, their popularity started rising, and a lot of people who were athletes started to come to the Dassler brothers for their shoes. And then World War II struck. At this point, Rudolf, the younger brother, had to go to war. Things slowed down considerably because of all the stress that came from the war. And in fact, for 2 years towards the end of the war, the shoe factory was converted into a arms manufacturing unit because there was just no business for the shoes. Anyway, when Rudolf returned, there was a growing sense of animosity between the two brothers. They somehow did not seem to like each other anymore. They also had wives and children who did not like each other. Things got so bad that it is said that when Rudolf went to seek shelter for him and his family during a bomb strike, and the shelter already had Addy and his family in it, upon Rudolf's entry, Addy said, "Oh, look, the dirty scumbags are here." So, obviously, after the war, when things went back to normal, these brothers decided to split everything they owned, including the factory and the brand. Addy renamed his shoe brand Adidas, and Rudolf actually renamed his company Rado, which eventually became Puma. And what is interesting to note is that this animosity ran so deep that even at the point of their death, they told their family to keep their tombstones separate and not in the same area because they didn't want to be next to each other. For a very long while, Puma workers were not allowed anywhere near Adidas operations and vice versa. But it is stories like these that make the world of business so very much interesting.